For our morning
Thank you, ma'am.
prayers. Welcome. Join your hands. Let's say our prayers, children, all of you. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. A very good morning to all of you. Now, without making any noise, you will just switch on your mics and we'll sing happy birthday for Aban. Alright? Okay, we'll sing together.
Yes,
Happy
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Happy
dear
birthday.
Aban. Happy birthday, dear Aban. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Aban. Happy birthday, dear Aban. Happy birthday to you. Okay, Aban, how old have you turned today? Aban, how many claps? How old have you turned?
Eight. Happy
Yeah,
birthday, ma'am.
8. Okay, so
Happy birthday.
so let's clap. One, two,
Happy
three,
birthday,
four,
ma'am.
five, six, 7, 8, and one little clap.
Thank you.
Okay, have a nice day, Aban.
Thank
God
you.
bless you.
Happy birthday, Aban. Thank you. Happy birthday, Aban. Thank, thank you, sir. Happy birthday, Aban. Thank you. Happy birthday, Aban. Happy birthday, Aban. Happy birthday, Aban. Thank you. Happy birthday, Aban. Thank you.
Okay, now all of you mute yourselves. Let's begin with our class, children. Mute yourselves, all of you. Roshni, switch on your camera. Hania, switch on your camera. Okay, social studies book. We started with the new lesson yesterday. People who help us, and I told you to read the lesson well. I hope you have read the lesson. Let's just quickly revise it. I'm going to ask you some questions. Then you switch on your mics. I can see many mics on. Switch them off first. Mute yourselves. Mute yourselves, children. Okay, Bhavika, who brings newspapers for us? Who brings newspapers? Newspaper man. Say. Okay, Aditya, who brings milk for us? Who brings milk? Which man?
Milkman.
The milkman.
Milkman.
Okay, good. Manvi, who stitches our clothes?
Tailor.
Tailor, very good. Sidra, who grows crops for us? Who grows crops for us? Farmer. Who grows crops for us?
Farmer.
Farmer. Okay, Mustafa, who mends your shoes? Cobbler. Who mends the shoes?
Cobbler.
Cobbler. Very good.
Cobbler.
Okay. Taiba. Who weaves cloth? A weaver. Say.
Man weaver.
Weaver. Okay.
Weaver.
Alia. Who constructs our house? Mason. Say.
Mason.
Okay, good.
Silicon.
Vani. Who gives you medicine? Who treats you when you are sick?
Doctor.
Doctor, that's right. Okay, Ahmad,
Mom,
who makes the roads and
mom, page
bridges?
four.
I'm just asking questions just now. Just wait. Listen carefully, all of you. Ahmad, you did not read the
Yes,
lesson,
ma'am.
children, I think. I had asked you to read the lesson, all of you. You did not read it. An engineer makes roads and bridges. Okay, now all of you quickly open to page number 41. Page number 41. Page number 41. And you'll pay attention. I'm reading the lesson once again. All of you pay attention. People who help us. Different people do different kinds of work. There are many kinds of people who help us in our daily life. We should give proper respect to all the persons who help us to live our life comfortably. So we need to respect all the people who help us. जो भी हमारे helpers है उनकी हमें respect करनी चाहिए. Then they help us in our daily life. हमारी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में हमारी लाइफ में वो हमें बहुत हेल्प करते हैं. Now see, the pictures are given here. Farmer grows crops. अगर farmer crops नहीं grow करेगा, किसान हमारे लिए अनाज नहीं उगाएगा, तो हमें कहाँ से खाना मिलेगा? Then a weaver weaves cloth. Look at the pictures, children. Sidra, switch on your camera, child. A weaver weaves cloth. Weaver हमारे लिए कपड़े बुनता है. नेक्स्ट अ टेलर स्टिचेस. वो कपड़े टेलर हमारे लिए स्टिच करता है, तभी हमको मिलते हैं, मार्केट में आते हैं. देन वी बाय देम एंड वेयर. राइट. नेक्स्ट अ मेसन कंस्ट्रक्ट्स अ हाउस. घर का कंस्ट्रक्शन, घर को बनाना मिस्त्री का काम है. उसको इंग्लिश में हम बोलते हैं मेसन. We call a person who constructs a house, we call him a mason. M-A-S-O-N. Remember this word, children. Learn up the spelling. Now turn the page. Page number 42. Look at the next picture. A rickshaw puller takes us to different places. मम्मी के साथ में कहीं जाना होता है. घर पे कोई व्हीकल अवेलेबल नहीं है तो हम पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट लेते हैं. उसमें रिक्शा भी आ जाता है. और रिक्शा पुला वो कितना मेहनत करता है ना रिक्शा चलाने के लिए. हम लोग को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेकर जाते हैं वो. और रिक्शा पुला ही इज ऑल्सो अ हेल्पर. देन लुक एट द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. अ वॉशरमैन वॉशेस आवर क्लोथ्स. हमारे कपड़े जो धोते हैं. ओके, वॉशरमैन. Next picture, a teacher teaches students. Then your teachers teach you. Right? They give you knowledge. Bhavika, is straight. Pay attention. Put your finger on the book. Next picture, you have a doctor. A doctor treats us when we are sick. When we are not well, a doctor treats us. He gives us medicines and we get well soon. Next picture, look at the next picture. A policeman. He protects us from thieves. They take care of the law and order. Next picture, an engineer makes roads, bridges, etc. आपने रोड पर देखा होगा. याद है जब मेट्रो का काम चल रहा था रोड पर और आप लोग स्कूल आते थे तो आपने रोड पर देखे so many engineers, so many people working to construct the metro lines and the bridges and everything. Those are the engineers. They work hard. Then soldiers protect our country from enemies. Soldiers, you must have seen some movies where you've seen the soldiers. They protect your country. They fight for your country. Yes? Give me a thumbs up. You've seen? All right. Next picture. Grocer sells flour, pulses, rice and grains. I told you. हम लोग मार्केट जाते हैं. मम्मी जाती है मार्केट राशन खरीदने के लिए. दाल, चावल, ये सब चीजें मम्मी मार्केट से खरीद कर लाती है ना. ये सब जो सेल करते हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं ग्रोसर. We call him a grocer. Remember the spelling? Grocer. Grocer. These are new words. Mason, grocer. All right, all these words you have to learn the spellings.
मैम
Yes.
आप 7 वाला भूल गई.
We are on page number 42.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we have finished with soldier. अभी मैंने soldier पढ़ा था, उसके बाद अब हम लोग grocer पढ़ रहे हैं. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, after the grocer, see the next picture where you can see a child and his mummy. They are buying books and copies, stationery. Can you see? Can you see the picture? Give me a thumbs up, all of you. Okay. So a stationer sells notebooks, books, pencil, pens, etc. ये सब चीजें एक stationer जो ये सब चीजें sell करते हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं stationer. So another new word you have to learn the spelling. Remember. And the last picture on that page. The last picture on that page. A milkman brings milk. A milkman brings milk. You can see the last picture. Okay, now coming to page number 43. Page number 43. A barber trims our hair. A barber trims our hair. I told you yesterday the boys go to the barber shop to get their hair trimmed. Girls go to the parlor. Yes. Now it says zone of assessment and there is a picture given. Now use the picture to answer the questions. It says use the picture to answer the questions. The question is, who is he? Now you have to look at that picture and you have to tell me. Arish, can you tell me who is that? Who is he?
Ma'am, who is the barber?
Not the barber. उसके साइड में राइट हैंड साइड पर जो पिक्चर है, zone of assessment. Look at that. Arish, look at that picture. He is a newspaper man. Newspaper man. जो राइट हैंड साइड पर है वो न्यूज़पेपर मैन है. And what does he do? Question number 2. He brings newspapers for us. What does he do? He brings newspaper children for us. Okay? So now I'm just going to show you the screen and you can write these two answers. Alright? Who is he? He is a newspaper man. Take your pencil and write he is a newspaper man.
मैम न्यूज़पेपर मैन की स्पेलिंग बोल दीजिए.
Yes, N-E W-S. You can see on the screen also it is coming now. N-E-W-S P-A-P-E-R-M-A-N.
मैम
Yes, Myra. Ashuka, yes.
स्क्रीन बड़ी कर दीजिए.
Okay, now you can see. All right, come on, right over there. He is a newspaper man. And the second answer, yes, Sakshi.
Mom, I cannot see the screen.
Satakshi, there must be some network problem, child. You listen to what I'm calling out and you follow. Because I have joined from two devices and I can see the screen is there on there. Okay? You write the answer. He is a newspaper man. First answer. Second question says, what does he do? So you write the answer. He brings newspapers for us. He brings newspapers for us. He brings newspapers for us. And please put over there, learn. Put learn over there, children. And put today's date, 6/11/20. Okay. Some children are giving me thumbs up. That means you have finished. Very good. Okay, Satakshi is finished.
Mom,
Yes.
ma'am, मेरा इसमें आ नहीं रहा है
भाविका छोटा
वो
छोटा लिखिए.
जगह
वहां पे जो जगह है उसमें साइड में लिख लीजिए. ओके.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
यस ऐशिका.
1 नंबर का जो पार्लर की फोटो बनी है उसका आंसर आपने लिखवाया ही नहीं है.
1 number. Who is he? He is a newspaper man. Question देखिए. Number 1, zone of assessment. Who is he? He is a newspaper man. मैंने स्क्रीन पर जो दिखाया है जोन ऑफ असेसमेंट वही चीज है बेटे. ओके. Now I'm going to read what is written further over there. Put your pencils down just now. There are a number of other helpers. और भी बहुत सारे helpers होते हैं. Watchman, maid, servant, cook, plumber, etc. Watchman जो गेट पर रहते हैं. Watchmen, they stay at the gate. They take care that no this thing anybody.
यार गड़बड़ हो गई.
What happened?
मुझे बुक में आ नहीं रहा. कोई बात नहीं
भाविका कोई बात नहीं बेटे. बाद में रब करके साफ नीटली लिख लीजिएगा.
इसमें मैं आ भी नहीं रहा मैम.
उसके नीचे लिख लीजिए. राइट इट बिलो देयर.
मुझे पता नहीं किसका आंसर.
He is a newspaper man. He brings newspapers for us. Okay. All right. So watchman takes care. He's at the gate. Then the maid जो आपके घर में आती है, they do the cleaning, dusting, sweeping, swabbing. Then you have the servants are there who help us. Then the cook जो खाना बनाते हैं. Then you have plumber. Another new word, children. Plumber. जब कोई वाटर की प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है आपके घर में, कोई टैप्स वाटर टैप्स खराब हो जाते हैं, तो मम्मी जो हेल्पर को बुलाती हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं प्लम्बर. यू विल लर्न अप दिस वर्ड, द स्पेलिंग प्लम्बर. ऑलराइट. एंड एक्सेट्रा मीन्स मेनी मोर हेल्पर्स आर देयर चिल्ड्रन. बहुत से हेल्पर्स हैं जो हमारी हेल्प करते हैं. एवरी काइंड ऑफ वर्क इज इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट. हर काम इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. Everybody has their own importance. सबका काम, सब अपनी फील्ड में अपना अपना काम करते हैं. अगर आप सोचिए न्यूज़पेपर मैन न्यूज़पेपर नहीं लाएंगे, हम लोग को न्यूज़पेपर डेली पढ़ना है, न्यूज़ देखनी है, we will not come to know anything. मिल्कमैन, एक दिन मिल्कमैन नहीं आता है, मम्मी परेशान हो जाती है ना, आज मिल्कमैन नहीं आया, जल्दी से मार्केट से जाकर मिल्क लाना है. If the maid doesn't come, then mummy gets worried. So children, all these helpers are very important in our life. And we need to respect them because they are helping us. Then you have word bank. Look at that pink color box. It says word bank. Please write over there, learn. In that pink box, word bank, put there, learn, children. You will learn up all these words. Tailor, one who stitches our clothes. Washerman, one who washes our clothes. Doctor, one who treats us when we are sick. Grocer, one who sells flour, pulses, rice and grains. Milkman, one who brings milk. Barber, one who trims our hair. Then it says, keep in mind. You have to remember this. Many people help us in our daily life. They make our life easy and comfortable. Now you have exercise A. Come to exercise A. Tick the correct option. The first picture. Alia, whose picture is that? Postman or policeman?
Policeman.
Very good. Policeman. Children, put a tick on policeman. Sakshi. Sakshi, the next one. Stationer or teacher? What picture is that?
Teacher.
Teacher. Very good. Children, put a tick on teacher and turn the page. Next picture, Ahmad. Mason or doctor? Mason. Very good. Put a tick, children. Hania, the next one. Cobbler or milkman?
Cobbler.
Cobbler. Okay, good. Put a tick on cobbler, children. And please put learn against that exercise. Question and answers I will be giving you to do in the copy. Let's move to exercise C. True and false. True or false? Doctors repair our shoes. Myra, doctors repair our shoes. Who repairs our shoes? Doctors. Is it true or false?
Mom, false.
False. Okay, put over there false. And next period, Myra, make sure you put a hairband.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, next number 2.
Mom,
Yes.
one ponytail.
Put a hairband. You won't be able to make a pony. Your hair is too short. Alright, Taiba, the next one. Weavers weave cloth. True or false? Weavers weave cloth. Weavers.
False.
Look at the picture on page number 41. Taiba, look at the picture on page 41. A weaver weaves cloth.
Yes, ma'am.
So this sentence is true or false?
Ma'am, false.
Weaver weaves cloth. Weaver जो हमारे
Ma'am, false. Ma'am, two.
True. It is true. A weaver weaves cloth. Child, okay? Put over there true. Okay, so Sakshi, the next one. Policemen make roads, bridges and buildings.
False.
False. Okay, good. Put over there false, children. Aradhya, the last one. Washermen wash clothes. Washermen कपड़े धोते हैं.
Yes.
True. Okay, put over there true, right?
True.
Children, put true and then put learn against that exercise. Now, there are some pictures given down below, children. Some pictures are given down below. That's your homework. You will look at, find out who are these helpers and what they do. Pictures के नीचे आप लिखेंगे. Next social study class, I will ask you. Put over the HW. Put HW. You will find out and you will write their names below the pictures. With that, we come to the end of your social studies class. Meet you again in the next period. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.